Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button right below this video and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you get videos just like this. Now you know what time it is, you know who this is. It is time to do another video to stimulate your mindset and improve your online business as an affiliate marketer, entrepreneur, as of right now, and even network marketing. And today's topic, we're going to talk about a high-ticket affiliate program, the Super Affiliate Network. Now, I'm going to do a brief overview exactly how it works. It's one of the top digital marketing companies out there that's online, and it's definitely one of the companies that I really recommend, especially if you're a beginner. They have a terrific training program. They have good advisors, and they have a boot camp that really starts from Bootcamp 1 all the way up to 16, and it's fantastic. When I first got on the online space, I actually joined the Super Affiliate Network and I went through the bootcamp. So basically, you'll go ahead and sign up. Let me go ahead and start from the beginning here. Now, you'll start from the bootcamp. Now, the bootcamp is going to be right here. It's going to be phase 1, then you go to phase 2, then you go to phase 3. So it's actually 15. So I thought it was 16, but it's 15 here. There's 15 modules that you'll go through the system, and it's basically definitely help you train your mindset and also your skill set when in terms of affiliate marketing. Now, this is my page right now. They have leaderboards, so you basically will see when you make sales and you make leads, you'll become right on the list here. So there's my name right there, and there's my name right here. And I'm also down here on the sales as well. I'm on the 8th, and I'm also right here. So these are all the affiliates that's a part of the company that's getting sales and leads in the company. So I'm just showing you some of the back end work, that how it works. And also right here, it also shows your statistics, arrear. So I'm gonna click on here. So it shows you your stats, so all the sales that you've gotten throughout the day. And so right here, I've achieved 3 sales and made $1,249 today. Now, all results are not typical. I'm just showing you my results right now because I want to show you how this system does work. If you put in the work to the system, you can get results. But once again, disclaimer, results are not typical. You do have to do the work, and everybody goes their own pace. So that's how it works. You get the sales, and your sales in the back here. So let me go back to the boot camp like I was talking about. Bootcamp, you'll start out a module 1. So when you sign up, I do have a great trial for you. I have a fantastic offer for you. Right below this video, I have a link that was linked to the operation of the Super Affiliate Network, and you can start out with $1 trial. You get all 15 modules. Now you'll go ahead and start with module 1. And once again, the owner and the operator of this company is absolutely fantastic. He's an 8-figure earner. You know, he taught so many 6-figure earners, 7-figure earners, you know, so he taught so many type of people, and this system here works. It really does, and it's good for beginners, especially when you first start out somewhere and you want an affiliate marketing company, and it's high ticket. And the reason why it's high ticket is because one sale could be $1,000 sale. That's why I call it high ticket, you know, high ticket. One sale could be $1,000. Once again, results are not typical. You do have to do the work as well. So you'll start up with module 1, and you basically just start from the boot camp. You'll start right here, and you start right here. And also on the right here, you'll also have an advisor as well. That person will help you every step of the way. And so you'll go through all the boot camp work. I'm just going to play a little bit of it just to show you guys how it works. So you'll have an advisor and a business advisor. So you actually have 1 or 2 advisors. Like I have 2 advisors. I have Jesse and Krishana. So I had 2 advisors that the company gave to me to help my business, help me grow as an entrepreneur, affiliate marketer, network marketer, all that jazz. So that's got a little bit of an overview of that. It's 15 modules. You go through the modules, you'll sign up, and you basically go through it. One of the best things I really like about it as well, they have a fantastic community in terms of Facebook. So when you sign up and you start going through the modules, you'll go ahead and sign up on a Facebook group. Now, your advisor will go ahead and break that down to you. He or she will give you that information on how to get signed up on the Facebook group. I think that's one of the best things of the community because everybody supports one another and everybody's there to help everybody progress forward, because we all want that freedom, right? Want that freedom, that lifestyle. We want to be able to do the things we want to do, leave that job, leave that traffic, all those type of things. So I suggest Super Affiliate Network for beginners, especially if you're just starting out. I started out in affiliate marketing. This is a company I started out. I recommend it to you if you're starting out, or if you're a veteran. If you say you're a veteran, I would definitely leverage the program because it does have high ticket opportunities. So let me go a little bit more to, let me go with module 3 real quick. So I want to leverage the opportunities in there. So module 3, it talks about lifestyle business, and it really explains from the beginning to the end. I would love about that. By the time you're done with all 15 modules, oh my goodness, you're going to be ready to go and take some action. And so that's how it works. Commission is done on a monthly basis. You get a commission on a monthly basis, and they do have a commission structure as well, exactly how that works. I'm going to go back. Here's my profile. Support. You have an excellent support system here. Here's your advisors. Here's the products you'll be like representing pretty much. So once you sign up, your advisor and your coach will walk you through all your products that you have. Support system is really good as well. I'm just breaking it down. This is like your basic information, your profile, your password. So of course you'll be given that. And the start here, exactly where you'll start when you first get into the program. So you'll start right here, right on the boot camp, ready to go, ready to rock. I want you to be part of my team. Click on the link below to get started with your $1 trial. $1 trial. I don't know how long this will last. I would suggest you go ahead and sign up immediately for you get part of my team. You go ahead and start your online business. Be that entrepreneur. Be that affiliate marketer that you always wanted to be. Get that freedom. Leave that JOB, or you may even keep your JOB and make $1,000 on the side. Once again, results are not typical. Click on the link below. I can't wait to see you on the inside, and I can't wait to do another video to help your online business journey.